We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hello, this is Chris from Onyx. In this video, I will show you how to clear a paper jam on your HP LaserJet Pro, MFP, M227, FDW, or CDW printer, and how to avoid jams from happening in the first place. This printer has only 3 possible locations where paper can get jammed: the output tray, the rear cover, and then the paper tray. Let's check them one by one. First, look at the output tray where the paper comes out of the printer. If you see any paper stuck there, gently pull it out and discard it. If the output tray is clear, move on to the next step. Alright, if you don't see any paper jammed in here, another thing you can do is open this up. Take out your toner and your drum and check in here and see if there's any loose pieces of paper. If there are, pull it out and then simply reinstall your drum and your toner. Close this and we'll move on to the next step. Next, you're going to want to check the rear cover at the back of the printer. To open the rear cover, use the handle on the back and pull it gently. To release the paper jam, look for any paper that is stuck inside. You're going to want to pull up and out carefully. If you don't find any paper jam, proceed to the next step. Finally, check the paper tray at the bottom of the printer. Open it and look for any jammed paper. If you find any, remove them carefully and make sure the paper is loaded correctly. Then close the tray back into its place. Make sure this last step is done last, as you could damage the printer and some parts by pulling the paper out from here. That's it, you have successfully cleared your paper jam. But how can you prevent paper jams from happening in the first place? Here are some tips to help you out. One of the causes of paper jams is the paper tray settings. To check them, adjust the blue tabs to fit the paper size you are using. Make sure they are locked into place, and the tabs can be moved to print different types of paper, such as envelopes, cards, and more. But don't go past the max indicators on the sides of the tabs because your printer may jam. Another cause is the paper alignment. Sometimes the paper tray is not aligned properly, or the new paper is not mixed with the old one. This can cause the paper to feed unevenly or stick together. To prevent this, take out all the paper from the paper tray. Put them together, and then fan the paper out to remove any condensation that may have happened to cause the paper to stick together. Next, align the edges of the paper so they are even on all sides. Finally, put the paper back in the tray and make sure it is not too loose or too tight. These steps will help you to eliminate some of the paper jams, but not all of them. If you still have frequent paper jams, it may be time to service your printer. Thank you for watching and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.